Welcome to POSable. In this video, you'll learn how to add products to POSable, how product settings work, and how to manage pricing and stock over time. Products are the core of your POSable system. Every sale, report, and stock movement is driven by how products are set up, so taking the time to configure them correctly pays off every day you trade. Before starting, make sure your product categories have already been created. Products must belong to a category to appear correctly in the front of house app. To begin, log into the POSable Back Office and click on the Products menu link. Here, you'll see a table showing all currently enabled products. This includes key information such as SKU, a product identifier code. We recommend you use, where possible, the SKU that your supplier uses so you can reference this code when you need to reorder stock. Name, how it is displayed on the front of house app. Barcode. Product barcodes enable the use of barcode scanning. Using a barcode scanner significantly speeds up the sales process using the front of house app, reducing wait times and improving turnover. You can have multiple barcodes per product should it be required. Category, the product's category. Color, the color of the product as displayed on the front of house app. We recommend that you use the color you assign to the product's category so that staff can visually learn the colors. This improves sales speed by muscle memory. Cost, the net cost of the product. Price, the amount you intend to charge for the product. Hot product, this setting determines if the product is to be placed in the hot product panel on the front of house app. This quick access panel is for all your popular products. Products can be identified as hot or cold by the color of the icon. Blue is cold and hot is red. Pour, this value is created after product creation. Profit on return is a key profitability metric used to measure the profit made as a percentage of the selling price. Stock, the current stock level of the product. Status, if the product is currently available for purchase on the front of house app. Actions, products have 3 action icon buttons: Edit, Archive, and Exemption. Edit launches the form to edit the details for the product. Archive, POSable archives products to retain sales data. You can view archive products by clicking the Show Archive button. Exemption, POSable can, if enabled, send stock alerts for products with low stock. However, there may be instances where this does not apply. If stock alerts are enabled but you do not wish a product to be included, you can use this option to mark them exempt. What can we do on the products page? We can show archived products, price control products, export products, import products, add products. Let's explain these options in more detail. Add a new product. Products in POSable can be created one at a time or in bulk. To create a product, click the Add Product button. This launches the product pop-up window. The information required on this form is what we explained earlier. Name, SKU, category, barcode. The first barcode is your primary barcode. Use the button Add Another Barcode to add more than one barcode if required. Price, cost, tax rate. Tax rules vary by country, so always confirm correct rates with your accountant. Stock quantity, status, description. The description is an internal identifier and is not displayed on the front of house app. Color, hot product, suppliers. Here we have a section for adding a product code given by your supplier for the product you are creating. This means you can have both a SKU as an internal code and the code for your supplier. This code is used on the supplier's ordering page to create order CSV files to send to your supplier. Please watch the supplier's video for a full tutorial on suppliers and supplier ordering. Complete all the details and then click the Save Product button to finish the product creation. If you are migrating or setting up a larger inventory, bulk import is usually faster. Download the POSable product CSV template and edit it using a spreadsheet or CSV editor. This template ensures your data matches the system's required structure. Once ready, click Import, select your file, map any fields that are not automatically detected and upload. POSable will process the file and add your products to the system. Earlier, we briefly touched on product archiving. Products are never deleted in POSable. This is intentional. Deleting products that have historical sales would break reports and accounting records. Instead, products are archived. Archived products are removed from active use in the front-of-house app but remain available for reporting and can be reactivated at any time. There is no limit on the number of products you can have, so archiving does not affect performance. This also supports seasonal trading. Products for Christmas, Easter, or summer ranges can be enabled when needed and archived again later. POSable includes a price control tool that allows you to update prices quickly. From the products page, click Price Control. You can filter by product name or category, select individual items or select all, and apply changes in bulk. Choose whether the change is a percentage, a fixed amount, then choose whether the change is an increase or a decrease. For example, selecting all products in the beverages category and applying a 10% increase will update every selected product instantly. This is particularly useful when supplier costs change or during seasonal pricing updates. POSable can notify you when stock levels run low. Stock alerts are configured through system settings and work alongside the stock value set on products. Once enabled, you'll receive alerts when products reach your defined threshold, helping you reorder before items run out. By setting products up properly, you ensure faster sales, cleaner reporting, and better stock control. In the next video, you'll see how POSable handles stock alerts, overselling, and inventory behavior across devices. That's all for the products video. Thanks for watching.